the craft and I'm gonna show you how to make it. This is what you will need: a black chart, white paper, some colored pens, a pencil, a split pin, a pair of scissors, glue, and a small plate. On the white paper, I will draw a circle using the plate and then I will cut it out. I will then apply some glue on the piece of paper and then paste it on the black chart. In the center of the white circle, I will draw a smaller circle. You can use whatever is available. Then I will draw 6 lines around the small circle. I will show you how. The 6 lines have made 6 shapes. This is where I will draw all the different types of weather conditions. I'm going to start with a sunny day and I will draw a sun shining brightly. Let's add a big smile to the sun, like this. For a windy day, I will draw a windy cloud and add some eyes to it. It's blowing a lot of wind from its mouth. Now let's color it. For a snowy day, I will draw a snowman wearing a hat. He's also wearing a scarf because it's so cold. For a cloudy day, I will draw the sun, but the sun is covered by lots of clouds. For a rainy day, I will draw a big gray cloud with raindrops falling from it. For a stormy day, I will draw a big gray cloud with the lightning bolt coming from it. So, there is your sunny day, a windy day, a snowy day, a cloudy day, a rainy day, and a stormy day. In the center of the chart, I will poke a hole using a pencil so I can insert the split pin and the arrow like this. Then I will split the pin at the back to tighten it. And here is the complete chart. So you can place the arrow anywhere that resembles the weather on the day. If it's a sunny day, then that's where the arrow will point to. A windy day, a rainy day, and a stormy day. Here is our weathercraft when it is complete.